Oh, sorry. Hi, this is Grammar. I was just working on my wrestling moves. Today's topic is going to be question and ask at a very basic level, okay? By the way, just a pronunciation tip. This word is pronounced, sorry, I was just doing my thing there. By the way, this word is pronounced question, not question, okay? So later you can check out some of our pronunciation tutorial sites, okay? So back to this. Question versus ask. Okay, we're going to take a look at question as a noun only, okay? Because it has other uses. But as a noun, you would maybe say, I have a question, okay? Teacher, you know how sometimes students call us teachers? Teacher, I have a question, not I have an ask. No. Question is a noun. This is a noun. So we should say, I have a question. Let's take a look at ask. Ask is a verb. So people always ask me, Grammar, who are you? Shh, don't tell. Okay, so here we need a verb. So the word to use is going to be ask, not question. Okay? And here we can see it in a nutshell. In a nutshell means, very simple, very brief. Okay? I will ask the teacher a question. My verb here, my main verb, has to be ask. Ask what? A question. And question is a noun. So, this is simple if we remember that question is going to be a noun. It's the thing we ask. And ask itself is the verb. Okay? So, as you can see, question versus ask, easy peasy, super breezy. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget your wrestling moves. Signing off.